Hey everyone, it's Joseph. I recently set out to create a library of basic shapes rendered in 3D to quickly drop into presentations and design work. I knew I wanted variety, consistency, high resolution, and the versatility of transparent PNGs that I could drop absolutely anywhere. So I got to work on rendering some basic shapes and quickly went a little bit overboard. The cube, sphere, and cylinder I started out with quickly evolved into 58 different shapes. Next thing I knew, I had them all in 11 different colors. Then I had trouble choosing a single viewing angle, so I took the whole set and rendered it at 16 different but perfectly consistent camera angles. You might be thinking, isn't that 10,208 images? Yes it is. And I figure, hey, other people might want these without having to do all this work themselves. So I made a website called Shapefest to give this big-ass pack a name and a home. Pricing is always tricky to figure out, so I made it free. If you like the free pack, I'm also working on some expansion packs of beautiful photorealistic textures like ceramic, glass, metal, and fabric. Check out shapefest.com.